Hello guys, welcome back to the Techie Guy. And today we are solving some of the questions which was sent by the subscribers. And maybe the Ashwarya has sent it this question. Okay. So in this question we have one input which is n and one array. Okay. And in this array we have four elements. Okay. This means that this four has the size of an array. Okay. And we have to output the answers. Okay. So answer is 1100. Explanation now. Okay. So explanation is count of distinct characters at even. Okay. So position for different usernames are as follow A B C D E F and third. Since if you count the even positions, since this is zeroth position, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here this are the distant elements. A, C, E are the distant element. Okay. Now P is the distant element. R is the distant element. Okay. So here answer is 2. X is distant element. Z is distant element. V is distant element. B is distant element. Okay. At even. So answer is 4. Now if you check here is A. Now here is A. So count doesn't increase. And here also the count is doesn't increase. Okay. So now in this case, what we are going to do now, okay? So right now the answer was not correct since the example 2 is not given and we have to output this thing 1100. I don't know what was the logic behind this output, okay? And but we are going to count this 3, 2, 4, 1. Okay, and we are going to divide this question as in two steps. If anyone have the above question means what was the question with explanation. Okay, since we have a explanation here, so we are going to do this. Okay, now how we are going to do this? So there are different methods and one of you have sent it the question in WhatsApp community as well. Okay, so now I am trying my solution. Okay, so let's check it out what we have given. We have given n and these four things as an input. Okay, okay, so what we are going to do, we have these four things as an input. So now I am going to write my code. Okay, so here in online GDB compiler I have already taken the input. Okay, four and these input which we have given to us. Okay, now here I am making one method will just give me the count of the distant elements. Okay, so static int get distant, I am naming it. Okay, and this will take one thing which is the string and str. Okay, I'm naming the name of the string. Now if you carefully looks what we are going to do, we are going to output input one by one the thing. Okay, we are going to call by the main method this function and we are using this main function for all these strings. Okay, so this is the function will do repeatedly code. Okay, when we are going to like repeat the code as well, so we use this. So now first thing, import java dot util dot star. Okay, always use star if you are working with a scanner. Also just import star. Okay, now I am making one character set. Okay, and if you don't know set, then comment it down the video, then we are going to make one video on hash set. Okay, so I have created a hash set here. Now I am looping through this. Okay, and this is str dot length, and we have to use this bracket since it's a function, and then I plus plus. Okay, now we are going to catch the character by using str dot char at I. Okay, now if we are only going to the even position, then we are going to change this as I equal to I plus 2. Okay, and after fetching this character I am checking again if I mod 2 is equal to 0. Okay, then we are just going to add set dot add this ch. Okay, and we are simply going to return from here. What we are going to return? We are going to return set dot size. Okay, so this is the solution I came across. Okay, and right now from here, what I'm going to do, I will create one scanner object, which is new scanner system dot in. Okay, now I want that 4, okay, as an input. So I am using sc dot next int here, sc dot next int here. Okay, now I am looping through it. Okay, I less than n and I plus plus. Okay, so now why we are doing this thing? Okay, now I didn't make anything for storage. Okay, since these are the 4 things, so you can store in the array, but I am not storing. Okay, so since by not storing, I am just getting int temp is equal to, and then we are calling, not calling, we are storing it in the next line, or sc dot next. We don't have to use next line. Okay, and let's get our answer. Int answer is equal to get distinct. We are going to call, and then we are going to call by this temp. Okay, and now finally we can print our answer. So system dot out dot print. I'm using print here. Okay, not ln, and I'm printing my answer here. Okay, so now what is happening here? Let's check it out. So look, first I'm going to run this. Okay, so yeah, not a problem. ln, we can name this as ln. Okay, and right now I am calling this function. Okay, so our answer is coming as 4352. Okay, which is somehow, wait a minute, let's start here next line and then check what was our answer. It was compiling. Okay, so what is happening here? This code is not getting the correct output. Okay, so yeah, this was the issue with it. If I am going to -1, then we are getting our answer. Okay, so let's check it out. 3241. Okay, and here 3241 is our answer. Okay, I don't know why this thing, I think maybe that temp variable we are doing wrong or anything else. Let's just okay, so I am removing first some of the inputs here, x, and we are literally going to make one string str, which is named as a b c d e f. Okay, and we are going to get our answer as int answer, and going to call our element, which is get distant, and I am using str here, and I have just give that 4 here to just input in this n. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to check what is our this method is wrong or our this method is wrong. Okay, so okay, so what is happening, we are not printing it. So let's print this system dot out dot print ln, and we are going to print our answer. Okay, and this should print us 3 according to the input. Yeah, so we are getting 3, and let's, I have something which is this. Now I am commenting this input and just taking the second input. Okay, and after taking the second input, just replacing here and searching. Okay, we will get a pleasant error here, going to get So we can't remove, can't run this, but we are going to get an error, okay? Yeah, this is taking too much time, so I just copy this and refresh this. This will be okay, I think. This is service is not available, it is showing. Okay, bad gateway. Okay, so the gateway has collapsed, I thought. Okay, now it is visible. And in Java, and yeah, so we have copied that code. We are just going to come in text and input 4 to store the input. Just I'm going to run this. Okay, and one of the main thing is it is not running actually. Okay, so this thing is not working. Yeah, so don't worry. The site, I think maybe the site has crashed, and let's just print this. And okay, so we have made one mistake here. This thing, and now we are going to run this, and the output of this should be 2. Yeah, we are getting 2. Okay, now I am going to copy this and just coming across pasting this. Okay, this output it should be 4. Yeah, it should be 4, and then we have 6 times a here, so we are just going to print, yeah, 6 times a, and then its output should be 4. Okay, yeah, so the code is working. Maybe what was the problem here, I don't know, maybe the compiler issue. Okay, so we are getting the answers for all this, and if I decode this code, so what is happening, we are just making a function. Since we are using this function for all the things, so it is better to create a function. We are just making an headset, and headset is a data structure in which duplicate values is not allowed. Okay, and our condition is just like similar. So I'm just iterating the loop twice. Okay, only for even positions, and checking also one more time, and then adding. Okay, and at last I'm just returning the size of this. Okay, I hope you have understood. And in the main function, I have just use a scanner function, taken one integer input. Okay, for the size, just use here for loop and input one string and perform these operations on this string, and I'm just printing it. Okay, I hope you understand, and we are ending this video right now. And if you have that this question second part, since the second part is missing, then please send it into the WhatsApp community. Thank you, and please like the video. Okay, since I have also right now other work, since I have started one more internship, so I have the very less time to do or to make videos, like to add or upload. So please just like the videos. So okay, bye, thanks for watching.